case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Texas presided over a contentious legal battle between the Town of Flower Mound and the Stafford Estates Limited Partnership in 2004. Central to the court's examination was the application of the Nollan-Dolan test. This legal parameters stipulate that when a government demands property improvements in exchange for permit approval, it must demonstrate a clear connection and proportionality between the exaction and the intended public benefits to avoid compensable taking. The entire disagreement pivoted on the town's insistence that Stafford Estates, a developer, improve a road that already met specified standards. The town mandated that Stafford replace an existing 2-lane asphalt road with a 2-lane concrete one to receive approval for their proposed residential subdivision. Stafford acquiesced to the town's requirement, undertook the disputed roadworks, and later sought legal redress for the cost of the improvements deemed unnecessary. The case weaved its way up to the district court, which decided in favor of Stafford Estates. The court agreed with Stafford's assertion, underlining that the town's improvement requirements constituted a taking without compensation, a violation of both state and federal laws. The Court of Appeals subsequently upheld the district court's judgment but dismissed Stafford's claims to expert witness fees and attorney fees. The Supreme Court examined the situation using the Dolan standard, considering both the necessity and benefit of the imposed conditions. The court determined that the town's requirement disproportionately burdened Stafford Estates relative to the impact of their proposed subdivision of the town's road infrastructure. As a result, the court concluded that the exaction imposed by the town did indeed constitute a taking. In the final decision, Stafford was awarded damages for the exaction's cost, factoring in the value of roadway improvements that could have justifiably been required by the town and Stafford's derived benefits from the improvements. Stafford was also awarded attorney fees, yet expert witness fees were dismissed as Stafford did not prevail on their federal civil rights claims. In a critical clarification, the court dismissed the town's conceptual argument that improving each abutting roadway is proportionate to the impact of each development on the general road system. This abstract reasoning, the court decreed, was indeterminable in gauging whether it imposes an equivalent burden on developers. This court case underscored that prepayment is not requisite for just compensation under the Fifth Amendment when property is taken, and set a strong premise that in Texas, compensation for regulatory takings can be sought through inverse condemnation. However, successful compensation claims negate the necessity of federal lawsuits under Section 1983.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.